Few businesses have gone into the depths of tending to the interoperability gives that present various blockages for the exchanging community. Welcome to the decentralized money new Bitcoin SV symbol. Before we get into the Bitcoin SV price projection, it is worth noting that Bitcoin SV provides less priced and lightning-fast exchanges, eliminating the complexities associated with the decentralized environment. Let us have a look at some of Bitcoin SV's interesting features. Bitcoin SV has an unequaled presentation. Bitcoin Money is the second most significant fork of the Bitcoin organization, and since then, there has been one more split in November 2018. Bitcoin SV, which was made to re-establish the initial Satoshi convention, keep it stable, and scale massively as a credible contender in 2018. Many people were unaware of Bitcoin SV and were hesitant to exchange BSV. The significant advantage is that you can execute rates as the organization expands, resulting in a phenomenal increase in the number of diggers supported by a strong and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage. Bitcoin SV has addressed openness issues by establishing a half-and-half agreement system, a unique feature of which is that it can detect deceptive or fraudulent exchanges by peers whereby an affirm block is suited for following the preceding block. Bitcoin SV is based on cryptographic methodologies that rely on zero-exposure proof and numerical consistency of the entire blockchain-enabled trade, which is cross-checked without revealing any information or message on the other party involved in the exchange. This convention's distinguishing feature is that it guarantees liquidity and lightning-fast exchanges on the organization. This distinguishing feature distinguishes it from other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions, while simultaneously laying out a plethora of mining roads. The Bitcoin SV designers have additionally advanced highlights like conceptualized thoughts on this stage that advanced dynamic conversation on BSV when supported. The designer group tests out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local community through this channel of establishment. The stage gets generous commitments and a flourishing number of individuals. The platform also contains workgroups, formed by people sharing their experiences and aiding you in better understanding. The features. BSV as a token has been making dynamic advancements in the digital money market as noted on most trades. The token has a market capitalization of $849,251,566.84 and is currently having a volume flow of $46,640,514.92 on the lookout in the next 24 hours. In light of the BSV cost prediction, the specialists have taken different viewpoints on the BSV cost assumption for the future. A protracted correction is normal. The estimated cost for 1 year is roughly $3.90. By the beginning of 2023, the BSV cost may be around $25.46. The highest cost was $28.87. And the lease was $25.09. The average for 2023 will be about 26.60. Bitcoin SV price by the end of 2023 will be approximately 26.98. There is a good chance that Bitcoin SV 2026 value forecast will double in cost, yet it is also possible that it will not arrive at its normal most extreme 200.99 level. Bitcoin SV is expected to arrive at an unrivaled high of $196.24 or $200.99 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of Bitcoin SV. During the previous year, BSV coin was enlisting moderate force, despite the fact that it is projected that BSV would show moderate recovery in the coming years, when compared to other digital currencies, which can be seen here. Our other long-term digital currency projections, the SV coin value expectation 2023. The year's end 2023 could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical cost patterns for the universe of digital currency, particularly for BSV. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with hopefulness. The valued resource would ascend to a future cost of anywhere between the scope of $40 to $60 according to our Bitcoin SV estimate. According to experts, There may be enchantment in the domain of cryptographic forms of money such as BSV in 2024, and there may be enchantment in the present as well. Bitcoin SV expectations 2024 may mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul rather than the present moment. It would not be a misrepresentation that the BSV digital money could break all of the hindrances and endure daily hardship scaling a pinnacle cost of $90 Bitcoin SV value forecast 2025. With a touch of tolerance in keeping the expectations high in the long-haul, financial backers can expect to circle back toward the end of 2025 as the reception of BSV would develop dramatically, by when Bitcoin SV might be a cautious player as indicated by our BSV cost forecast 2025. The coin could arrive at above $110 with the least and most extreme value levels of $105 and $118. Separately, the SV anticipation 2026. In light of the BSV cost hypothesis, the Bitcoin SV coin might change the pattern from the beginning to the end of the year. The coin might fill fast, notably for unions in this year 2026. New organizations would put Bitcoin SV to the forefront, making it the focal point for ventures and a socially respected digital currency with a fixed price of $199. According to the BSV Cost Estimate 2027, Bitcoin SV Predictions 2027, Bitcoin SV is expected to reach $150 before the end of the year. Bitcoin SV is expected to arrive at a rate of $146, and the BSV currency has the ability to cross a maximum level of $156 in the meantime. Bitcoin SV is expected to cost at least $158 this year, with the highest price reaching $168. By the beginning of 2029, the SV coin value is expected to be $2029. According to the BSV forecast, the price of Bitcoin SV might reach $180 this year. The BSV costs may exceed $195 before the end of the year, while the base prices remain around $179. Every 2030, the value of Bitcoin SV is expected to rise. Bitcoin SV is expected to trade at $200 this year, according to BSV Cost Forecast 2030. By the end of 2030, Bitcoin SV's basic cost is expected to be about $198, with BSV reaching a maximum value level of $218 by the end of 2030. Bitcoin SV will typically cost $216. His BSV cryptocurrency is a great investment.